Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In this video, we will be talking about this particular thing which I've taken it for myself as in a challenge to see that how I can be confident enough to grow my capital publicly, right? On an intraday basis, which I'm backtesting with. So yeah, please do not take it as an investment advice or a trading advice for me. This is just an experimental thing which I'm doing it for you to also take away a few points for you as in like how you can grow a small amount of capital, right? So the first thing which I'm doing in here is that I've added 5 lakhs into my capital and I would try my best to grow this eventually in a bigger capital over a period of time and show you the ROI percentage returns every single month, right? And regularly update you as well at my best. So three takeaways which I'm also trying to make you understand is that first thing, I'm not a one of those traders who's basically wearing suits and get up, go to their offices and do yes, no and stuff like that. No, I'm a trader who is basically sitting in his room and trading from his workstation, right, which is right beside his bed, right? So that's the first thing. Second thing, how I'm trading, like the logic behind these. There are two things which I'll be doing on a regular basis. First is option selling, right, on Bank Nifty. What is the logic behind it? I'm not using any price actions in here. I'm doing a simple straddle with timely adjustments and playing with my stop losses and targets, right? So that is one of the things which every single person knows what is straddle. If you don't know, go ahead, search in YouTube, right? Second thing, what I'm doing is right now, doing it with shares on an intraday basis. What is this logic behind it or the strategy? I will reveal it further on later head because this is completely experimental. So I do not know how it could go in the future, but it seemed nice and it was backed up by some famous YouTuber and he's a very trusted YouTuber and he updates his weekly or daily PNLs and yearly PNLs as well. So I just want to go ahead and test it out how it goes, right? So for that reason, I've taken these two trades. This is the key takeaway which I wanted to mention. And the third key takeaway is that I wanted to focus on my percentage basis on an intraday basis in here. I am not telling you to go focus on my swing trades because that is completely on a different account, right? So yeah, on a daily basis, my net PNL should not be more than 0.5% to 1% is when I'll quit. And similarly, my stop loss would also go the same way. In this, I would say that first of all, I've hit my Bank Nifty's stop loss in one of my legs in straddles, and the second leg which I'm trying to do right now, it's going quite okay-ish, I would say, and I've shifted my stop loss to on cost. So maximum I was lose in this straddle is around close to 1,250 rupees. But also remember, I would be doing some adjustments further on later, like timely I would be taking some different straddles. Second thing in Zomato is that maximum I would lose is close to around 500 rupees according to my quantity of 250, and my stop loss is 2.30 rupees. You can see 62.45 is my stop loss, entry price is 64.75, and my my target price is 69.70. So I hope the logic is clear entirely. First strategy, you already know what I'm doing. Second thing is which I would reveal further on later. If it goes very well in my favor or anyone's favor, I would then reveal it, because it is not okay to tell you without backtesting it with my own account, right? Because you might end up losing money and then you might come in and curse me pretty bad later on. So yeah, this is so far the update for around right now 10:26 AM and Tuesday 16th August. Let's hope for the best and see how it goes further on ahead. So hey everyone, here's the update so far for the date. I just came back from the gym after 1.5 hours in here since I left. Well, just say that all those people who are saying that you cannot trade, you have to just sit all in front of the screen all the time. No, it's not true. The way you have to trade, have to be comfortable with your lifestyle, right? So yeah, this is just an example. Coming back to the video, what I did was, as I told you, the 39,300 calls SL was hit in the early morning itself, early hours, and then I shifted 39,300 put of my stop loss to on cost, right? So yeah, thank God I did that. I exited on cost. So far we are in the loss of 1,200 rupees per day. Today, and on a 5 lakh capital, you can just calculate how much it is. I guess it is not more than around 0.3% or something, right? So yeah, 0.3% loss we are in right now. But what I did again is around close to 11:30 in the gym itself. I already decided that I will create a not much out of the money, like just add the money above 100 points above and below. At Bank Nifty was around 39,300 then, so I sold 39,200 and 400 BEC, right, with a stop loss of 50 points each. So far it's going pretty okay, like we are getting a 300 rupees difference profit in this triangle. And Zomato, if you just look at it, there is complete sideways in here. So let's just wait. Either we'll hit a stop loss with Zomato, otherwise we'll exit at bare minimum loss or on cost or profits. We'll know it by the end of the day because we will be having a big up move soon. I will update you next after all the trades are exited by the end of the day, right? So yeah, I'll see you in the next phase. Hey everyone, so right now the time is around 3 p.m. I've exited all my trades at close to around 2:55 p.m. because according to my strategy, I need to exit all of those trades. Just an overview, I put in a legs, 39,300 CP at around close to the early morning hours, and we hit one of our stop loss, and the second one was trailed to on course. So yeah, luckily I did trail it, thank God, because if I wouldn't have done that, we would have around close to double the loss in here, right? So after that, we were in a net loss of 1,250, and the second leg which I put in 39,200 P and 39,400 C. When we did that, one of the leg got one of the legs stop loss got hit, and the second in here gave me close to 1,600 profit at the highest, but we had to only exit at the particular time at 2:55 p.m. according to my strategy. So for that reason, I did not exit it until 2:55 p.m. And so far, if you just see, we are in a net loss of 0.3 to 0.25% on my entire capital of 5 lakhs. But also one thing, Zomato, before that I come into that, Zomato has not played that well. It was completely sideways. So yeah, no issues with that. So far with this strategy, even though my performance was not so good, previously when before this shooting this video, I was in a profit of close to around 1%. So on that basis, if you just deduct all of these things, in my entire capital, I'm still into 0.8 to 0.7% of profits is what I believe on my entire capital on that basis. So yeah, the month is, there's still more days to go, and I could have performed a lot more better to be in a net profit of close around 2 to 3%, but this was my first month option selling on intraday basis. So I hope you give me enough space for improvement and also time for it. So yeah, if you want such any other videos, do let me know down in the comment section below. I will come up with it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care, stay safe, and let's see how tomorrow goes and how the upcoming months goes as well for the challenge, right? So until next time, take care, stay safe, and happy trading. Bye bye.